YouTube. On our way to the Shannons One Addiction Bike Night. Pretty excited to check this out. Usually lots of bikes at this event. Last time I was there it was absolutely massive, so meeting up with me mate Kev, maybe a few other people, and then we're gonna pretty much just gonna go to Dara, fuels down there, and meet up with the On2 crew, and then from there we'll head out to the bike show. So yeah, should be good. Big girl's all clean, looking pretty, keen to crack. Well, hope you enjoy the video. I'll be trying to do some of that walking around business with the camera as well. Get some footage of the bikes that are going to be there. Alright, let's see what we can do. Footage is taken on the Insta, what is it, the 360 Go S? 3? Insta 3 Go S, some fucking thing, I don't know. Anyway, a little camera that's inside the helmet, so I'm interested to see what the footage looks like on it. Interested to see how this camera looks anyway. I do love the 360. I don't think this one's called a 360, I think it's a Go 3S. It's a little camera, looks really good. Apparently you can wear a little magnet and put it on your chest and everything like that too, so I don't know. I'll give it a test tonight as well and see what it looks like with the night footage. But if the microphone works on it, I might just use it to do like little sneaky chats and blogs. I've got to do a little bike review on this because so many myths about the Hayabusa, how people think, oh, it's gonna kill you, it's hard to ride. Man, I can throw it around, no dramas, it's a good bike.
respect. Now it's my time to step out of my comfort zone, take a chance. When I saw you coming out of the school that day, I knew you'd never be mine. Never. It's just me in my own skin. Me in my own skin. Nobody's buying my lies, but that's no surprise. It's just me in my own skin. I'm the opposite and great.
As you can see, this meet is huge. I can't believe how big it is. Last time I came here, I got to park in there. No chance this time. Wow. Absolutely awesome to come to. Be heading off soon. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Be getting out a bit more, doing more of these meets. So yeah, excellent stuff.